Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and here's an update on my 1961 Chevy Apache. And as you can see, finally got in some parts. I ordered these parts months ago. They had the shocks, CPP had the shocks, but that Trac bar that I'm holding right there, that damn thing was, I think it took 3 months, March, so April, May, June, July, 4 months to get in. So been pretty fortunate on ordering parts and getting them in. And what I'm really fortunate about is Lynn gives me a lot of lead time, and he's got it all mapped out in his head how the build's going to go. So here's just a quick overview of what the truck looks like. So Lynn had a 4th of July party. Lynn and his wife had a 4th of July party. And so we had to take the paint booth down, clean up, and put the build on hold for a bit. And then they're having a graduation party for some friends at the end of the month. And then we're back at it. So this month, what we're going to work on is re-skinning the doors. And that's what we started on this morning. That's what Lynn's starting to break down right now. I just wanted to do a quick recap or overview video, which you're looking at right now. I was waiting on some parts for the rear end, so got that in. So we just got to do a little bit more work to that and then paint the rear axle. But we got the gears in, and everything's rocking and rolling. So coming together.